Ever wondered what foods can save your intestines from damage? The health of your intestines is crucial to your overall well-being. It's a key player in your digestive system, nutrient absorption, and immune function. A balanced diet is fundamental to maintaining this delicate balance. Certain foods, in fact, can help protect and restore the health of your intestines. They're like your gut's personal bodyguards. So, what are these nutritional superheroes? Let's dive into the list of these 9 superfoods that can save your intestines from damage. Number 1 on our list is yogurt. This creamy delight is a probiotic powerhouse that helps maintain the balance of good bacteria in your gut. It's rich in essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B2, and protein. The active cultures in yogurt can help ease digestive issues and strengthen your immune system. Next up, we have apples. Known as nature's toothbrush, apples are packed with dietary fiber which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. They're also rich in pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Lastly for this segment, let's discuss fennel. This flavorful herb is a fantastic source of dietary fiber, vitamin C and potassium. It's known for its ability to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and alleviate bloating. Consuming fennel can aid in maintaining a healthy gut flora, promoting overall intestinal health. Moving forward, the next set of foods are just as beneficial. Fourth on the list is whole grains. These power-packed foods are rich in dietary fiber essential for promoting healthy digestion. Whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal have a high content of insoluble fiber. This type of fiber adds bulk to the stool, preventing constipation and making bowel movements easier. Next up, let's talk about bananas. This humble fruit is a powerhouse when it comes to intestinal health. Bananas are packed with pectin, a type of fiber that aids digestion and helps maintain regular bowel function. Moreover, bananas are a great source of potassium, an element that's crucial for cell function and maintaining fluid balance in the body. And finally, we have ginger. This versatile root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its digestive benefits. Ginger can speed up gastric emptying, reducing the likelihood of heartburn or indigestion. Plus, it is rich in antioxidants that help protect your intestines from damage. But wait, we're not done yet, there's more to come. Next up, we have peppermint. A common plant with a refreshing aroma and taste, peppermint is more than just a flavoring agent. It's rich in antioxidants and particularly effective in soothing the digestive system. Peppermint oil can reduce abdominal bloating, a common digestive symptom, making it a go-to remedy for people with irritable bowel syndrome. Moving on, let's talk about the tropical delight papaya. Loved for its sweet taste, this fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients. It contains an enzyme called papain, known for its digestive properties. Papain aids in breaking down proteins, ensuring a smoother digestion process. Finally, we have turmeric, a golden spice with a distinct flavor. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It can help in healing the gut, reducing bloating, and even combating diseases like ulcerative colitis. Remember, these foods aren't just delicious but are packed with nutrients that promote a healthy gut. Now that we know what to eat, it's time to understand why these foods are essential for our intestinal health. Why are these foods so important for our intestines? These 9 superfoods pack a punch when it comes to intestinal health. From fostering a healthy gut flora, reducing inflammation, to enhancing nutrient absorption, they do it all. But remember, they're not magic bullets. They work best in a balanced diet, promoting overall health. The saying, "You are what you eat," rings true here. Remember, the key to good health lies in your kitchen. Choose wisely, eat healthily, and your intestines will thank you.